Are you ready for the September KoAloha Ukulele giveaway? This is a members only one. And up for grabs this month is this solid spruce top, acacia sides and back concert ukulele. Hi, I'm Terry Carter and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into KoAloha Ukulele giveaways, this is a great channel for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. All right, so this is a members only contest. That means you have to be a standard or a premium member at ukelikethepros.com. So you can actually join anytime. Even if you're not a member, you can become a member to take part in this contest if you would like. Now, what we got to do is this month is going to be playing not my arrangement, although technically it is, but actually my original song, fingerpicking song called In the Mist. Now that's just a little part of it. I will do a video with the whole thing of that as well. Now, all the sheet music that you need to get is in the ukelikethepros community. Now this is a members only forum. So once you become a standard or a premium member, you will get access to the community where you will get the sheet music involved for this particular piece. Now, if you're not a member, don't fret, because we do have a non-member general KoAloha Ukulele giveaway for September as well, playing the same song, but there'll be more of a general one. But members will win this beautiful instrument. This is, again, a solid spruce top, beautiful spruce top, by the way, and solid acacia sides and back. And if I can show you the flame here, it's really cool. Without the light, it's really a beautiful flame on this thing. But this is a concert ukulele. This one does have a, oops, get that out of the way, have a high G on it, but you can put a low G on it as well. All right, you want to know the rules? Here are the rules. You have until midnight on September 30th to get your video in of you playing my song In the Mist. All right, so this is something that you will post your video on. Probably YouTube would be the best because it's going to take you longer than a minute. So if you only do it on Instagram, that won't be long enough. So I would say post it on YouTube. You can make it unlisted if you don't want the general world to see it, or public. Just do not make it private. You will then copy that link and you will put it into the community page in the forum, the ukelikethepros member only forum. And by the way, when you're doing any kind of post for this one, up in the corner of the community, there's a little tab and drop down menu, and make sure you click In the Mist. That way all the comments, all the videos you post will go right into that category for In the Mist. So that will be easy to organize and keep everything together. So you got to do a video performance of my song In the Mist. Get it up, get your video posted onto that forum by September 30th, and we'll be judging things on not only your accuracy, but your dynamics, your production. You know, make sure you have somewhat decent lighting or audio. Sometimes playing outside might be pretty, but you might have some really bad audio. Wild card, I always like to have a wild card in there, just something that you can throw in to make your video kind of stand out for this piece In the Mist. So anyway, good luck to you. I'm excited to pick a winner for this particular challenge. I know it's going to be tough. It always is tough to pick a winner, but again, this is what you will be winning. So all your hard work will be for this KoAloha. The model number is KCO-10S. The S stands for the spruce top, and this is a kind of great instrument. You're also going to get the Petty gig bag, and yes, I will ship it anywhere in the world. The shipping is included. The only thing you may have to cover, international contestants, is the customs tax that you will may have to pay, but we'll make this thing pretty cheap on the customs form for you. So don't worry about that too much. All right, good luck to you. Don't forget, get your videos in by September 30th of my song In the Mist.